Are you looking for the best 3-channel dash camera with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS? With so many options available in the market, it can be difficult to choose the right one. That's why we put together a list of the top 5 best 3-channel dash cameras with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. Whether you're looking for a camera with crystal clear image quality or one with a user-friendly interface, we've got you covered. So, get ready to upgrade your driving experience and never miss a moment on the road again. Here are the top 5 best 3-channel dash cameras with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. Number 5. WiFi 133-channel dashcam. The WiFi 133-channel dashcam is an exceptional piece of technology for anyone who needs a reliable and high-quality dashcam for their vehicle. With its built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, this dashcam provides a level of convenience that is unmatched by other similar products on the market. One of the standout features of the Tone 130 is its 3-channel recording capability, which captures footage from both the front and rear of your vehicle, as well as a recording of the interior of your car. This provides a comprehensive view of any incidents that may occur while you're driving, which is particularly useful if you're an Uber or Lyft driver. The dashcam's built-in Wi-Fi and GPS also make it incredibly easy to view and manage the footage that's been recorded. With the WiFi app, you can easily download and save video footage directly to your phone, and you can also adjust various settings, such as the recording resolution and the parking mode, directly from the app. Another impressive aspect of the Tone 130 is its compact design, which makes it virtually invisible when installed on your windshield. The dashcam's sleek black exterior is also very attractive, and it's built from high-quality materials that make it durable and long-lasting. In conclusion, the WiFi 133-channel dashcam is an outstanding investment for anyone who needs a reliable and high-quality dashcam for their vehicle. With its comprehensive recording capabilities, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, and its attractive design, this dashcam is sure to provide you with peace of mind while you're out on the road. I highly recommend this product to anyone who's in the market for a new dashcam. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 4. Grevsu PB32 Pro Built-in GPS 3-channel 4K Dashcam. The Grevsu PB32 Pro Built-in GPS 3-channel 4K Dashcam is a must-have for anyone looking for a top-notch dashcam for their car. The dashcam features a built-in GPS, which accurately tracks the location, speed, and direction of the vehicle. This feature makes it easy to pinpoint the exact location of any incidents that may occur while driving. The 3-channel recording system is also a standout feature of this dashcam. With a front, rear, and interior camera, you'll have full coverage of your vehicle, both inside and out. The 4K recording quality is excellent, producing clear and detailed footage that makes it easy to see exactly what happened during any incidents. One of the best things about this dashcam is that it comes with an SD card for storing your footage. This means you don't have to worry about purchasing a separate memory card, and you'll have plenty of storage space for all your footage. The Grevsu PB32 Pro is also very user-friendly, with a simple and intuitive interface that makes it easy to operate. The dashcam is also compact and sleek, which means it won't take up much space in your vehicle, and it won't be obtrusive. Overall, I would highly recommend the Grevsu PB32 Pro built-in GPS 3-channel 4K dashcam to anyone in the market for a high-quality dashcam. Its built-in GPS, 3-channel recording system, and 4K recording quality make it one of the best dashcams on the market. And with its user-friendly interface, compact size, and included SD card, it's also one of the most convenient dashcams available. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 3. Kuo 2.5K D50 Built-in GPS Wi-Fi 3-channel dash camera. The Kuo 2.5K built-in GPS Wi-Fi 3-channel dash camera for cars is a top-of-the-line device that provides reliable and high-quality footage both day and night. With its built-in GPS and Wi-Fi capabilities, the device is both convenient and easy to use. One of the standout features of this dash camera is its 3-channel recording capability, which provides a 360-degree view of the vehicle and its surroundings. This feature is especially useful for capturing all angles in case of an accident or other road incident. Another key feature is the camera's Super IR night vision, which provides clear and bright footage even in low-light conditions. This is a great feature for drivers who frequently drive in the evenings or during nighttime hours. The built-in GPS is also a valuable addition, as it accurately records the vehicle's speed and location information. This information can be helpful in the event of an accident or other road incident, as it can be used to determine the vehicle's location and speed at the time of the incident. The Wi-Fi capability also makes it easy to view footage and transfer files directly to a smartphone or other device. This is a convenient feature that allows drivers to quickly and easily access their footage. Overall, the Kuo 2.5K D50 built-in GPS Wi-Fi 3-channel dash camera for cars is an excellent choice for anyone in need of a reliable and high-quality dash camera. With its combination of features, this device is sure to provide peace of mind and protection while on the road. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 2. Coxpol L11T GPS Wi-Fi 2K 3-channel G-Sensor Dashcam. The Coxpol L11T GPS Wi-Fi 2K 3-channel G-Sensor Dashcam is an excellent choice for those looking for a high-quality dashcam. The dashcam boasts a number of features that make it stand out from the crowd, including a 2K resolution camera, 3-channel G-sensor, and infrared night vision. The dashcam also has Wi-Fi connectivity, making it easy to transfer footage to your smartphone or tablet. One of the standout features of the Coxpol L11T is the 2K resolution camera. This means that footage captured by the dashcam is extremely clear and detailed, even at high speeds. This makes it easier to identify license plates and other important details in the event of an accident. The 3-channel G-sensor is another great feature. This sensor can detect sudden changes in motion, such as sudden braking or a collision, and will automatically save the footage to ensure that it is not overwritten. This is particularly useful in the event of an accident, as it ensures that the footage is preserved for evidence. Infrared night vision is another useful feature of the Coxpol L11T. This allows the dashcam to capture clear footage even in low-light conditions, making it ideal for use both day and night. The dashcam also has Wi-Fi connectivity, which makes it easy to transfer footage to your smartphone or tablet. This is a convenient feature that allows you to quickly and easily access your footage without having to remove the memory card and transfer the files to a computer. The Coxpol L11T is powered by a supercapacitor rather than a battery. This means that the dashcam is more resistant to extreme temperatures and is less likely to overheat or malfunction. It also means that the dashcam will have a longer lifespan, as the supercapacitor is more durable than a traditional battery. Overall, the Coxpol L11T GPS Wi-Fi 2K 3-channel G-Sensor Dashcam is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality dashcam. The dashcam's many features make it ideal for use both day and night, and its Wi-Fi connectivity and supercapacitor power source make it a reliable and convenient choice. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 1. Vantru F3 2.5K 3-channel Wireless Controller Dashcam. The Vantru 3-channel Wireless Controller Dashcam is a top-notch car camera that comes packed with a multitude of features. The 2.5K resolution video is crystal clear and the IR night vision is a game-changer for nighttime driving. The 3-channel view, which includes front, rear, and interior views, provides comprehensive coverage of the entire car. The wireless controller makes it easy to change settings and review footage, while the voice control feature is incredibly convenient and allows hands-free operation. The built-in GPS is a useful addition and helps to keep track of your route and speed. The Wi-Fi connectivity makes it easy to transfer footage to your phone and share it with others. One of the standout features of this dashcam is its compact design and easy installation. It's small enough to not obstruct your view, yet still big enough to capture all the necessary footage. The 3-way camera system makes it a perfect choice for ride-sharing drivers or anyone looking for a comprehensive car camera system. Overall, the Vantru 3-channel wireless controller dashcam is an excellent investment for anyone looking for a high-quality car camera system. Its comprehensive coverage, advanced features, and user-friendly design make it a top pick in its category. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. And that concludes our list of the top 5 best 3-channel dash cameras with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. Whether you're looking for advanced features or a budget-friendly option, there's something for everyone on this list. So, why wait? Invest in a dash camera today and never miss a moment on the road again. Thank you for watching, and we hope this list helps you choose the perfect dash camera for you.